Have you noticed your money isn't going as far as it used to? Same salary, but groceries feel expensive, bills are rising, and savings slowly disappearing. This isn't just bad luck, this is inflation. But here's the truth: smart people don't just survive inflation, they beat it. Here are some tips to deal with inflation. Number 1. Control your spending, not just budgeting. Stop spending blindly. Track every rupee. Ask yourself before buying, do I need this or do I just want it? Small, unnecessary expenses are silently destroying your financial future. Number 2, increase your income. You can't fight rising prices with the same old income. Learn a skill, start freelancing, do something extra after work, because in today's world, one income is risky. Number 3, invest, don't just save. Saving money is not enough anymore. If your money is just sitting in a bank, it's losing value every day. Start investing, stocks, business, or even small side projects. Let your money work for you. Number 4, buy smart, not cheap. Cheap things cost more in the long run. Focus on value. Bulk buying, discounts, and planning ahead can save you a lot. Smart buyers survive inflation better. Number 5, build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses hit harder during inflation. Medical bills, job loss, emergencies. Always have a backup, at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. Inflation is real, but so is your control over it. You can either ignore it or learn to outsmart it. The choice is yours.